Hello everyone, today I guess I'm doing my last lecture and so yeah, a common narrative in my life is that family has always been a huge part of it. Family's been what's gotten me through everything, the ups and the downs. We always enjoy being around one another and we just always have each other's backs no matter what happens. Something else I'm a strong believer in is that you really have to make the most out of what you're given in life. Some things can happen and you can't really help it, but you might as well make the most of it. The biggest example of this would easily have to be the car accident that I was in with my dad and best friend at the time. I'm inserting sad piano music here because I feel like it's necessary for this situation. Me and my dad, we were in a really bad car accident. I ended up getting 3 of my teeth knocked out. Pretty much wrecked, I guess. For 3 days I was on life support and the hospital didn't even know if I was going to survive. My family was all beside me non-stop, just praying for me to be okay. The doctor said that I would be there for months due to my injuries, and I ended up getting out in only a week. It was considered a miracle by most people. Since I was missing teeth, me being the productive person I am, as you all know, I decided to make the most of it and became a zombie with my fake teeth. The biggest lesson I got from my car accident was that everything can be taken away from you in a matter of seconds. That's why I always make sure that every single moment I spend with my family is a good one. Anytime we leave, we always tell each other we love each other because we don't know when the last time we'll see them is. Although some family members we were born with, there are some that we meet throughout our life that aren't really family members, but they become part of your family. People I've met through my life that became part of my family are mostly from bowling because, I bowl all the time. My family is easily one of the chillest families out there. We do everything together, like, riding roller coasters, playing cornhole, just chatting about anything on our minds. Getting back to the point of making the most out of what you're given is the fact that I even started bowling. Before my car accident, I was actually a big soccer player, and that's all I really wanted to do. Since I could no longer play contact sports, I decided to become a bowler, and instead of being a pouty person who's just upset about past experiences, I decided to make the most out of what I was given, and might as well try and become a pretty good bowler, I guess. As y'all saw earlier, me and Chance actually ended up winning state for the Unified, and then for the team event, we ended up winning that as well. This pretty much wraps it all up. I think I've covered everything that I've wanted to. I appreciate y'all watching this, and I hope y'all took away something from this. Oh yeah, and here's my cute girlfriend.